My name is Eric Williams, and this is my audition for The Sound of Nunchuks. The hills are alive with the sound of nunchuks. Hoo-ha! Hoo-ha! The sound has echoed for 1,000 years. The hills fill my heart with the sound of nunchucks, smacking any mother that gets near. That means you. My heart beats to the rhythm of my nunchucks, cracking heads, cracking knees, sending moans floating out on a breeze, teaching the Van Traps the touch of death. You're dead. A weapon as deadly as my nunchucks and bad breath, killing Nazis day and night. My ninja skills are out of sight. I go to the hills with my nunchucks are lonely. Everyone knows I'm the one and only. Kicking ass like never before, lost in the sound of nunchuks. Bodies hitting the floor. Woo!